Hello everybody. I had a wonderful week this week. I went to the Crick Boat Show, like many other people did this year. I think it's one of the biggest or the biggest boat show in England. And I had a good look around there. I looked at one of the little, just for interest really, I had a look at a little tiny boat called I think a Beetle. Very, very small boat, very cute. I had a little look at some of the wide boats, so that was interesting. And of course the old boats, which are just stunning. Really enjoyed looking at those and checking out the castles and roses on those. And then had a wander around the stalls, got some brochures. I don't think I actually bought anything apart from this, which will be absolutely fantastic in winter because it will keep me nice and warm when we're doing our winter cruising. So it was a nice day. I had a lovely day. Oh, and I caught up with some of the boat tubers in the main tent and had a beer or two. So that was lovely. And we were very lucky with the weather. The weather was kind to us. So that was that part of the week. And then a couple of days later, I went and visited Ronnie and Anita, who we met quite a long time ago, right at the beginning of our journey actually. And we went to the Malt Shovel in Northampton and shared an ale. I've got another little bit of news. I've been invited by the Artist Table to do a stall at their artisan night market on June the 10th in Northampton. So I'll be down there if anybody wants to pop in and say hello. So that's my week. Now I'll tell you a little bit about Magnus's week. He is in the middle of the desert. He's got no internet, so he won't be able to do a little chat with you this week. He's out on the Oodnadatta Track and going through the painted desert, which is absolutely stunning landscape with stripy hills. It's just beautiful. And I think he'll be stopping at the Pink Roadhouse, which is a roadhouse being a place that you stop by the side of the road on a long trip, and the whole thing is painted pink. And I mean everything is pink. I mean, yeah, it's actually quite amazing. So maybe he'll have some footage of that next week. I'm not sure because he's out of internet range, so he hasn't been able to send me much footage. I've got a couple of glimpses for you here with Mavi, which are really quite stunning. So I hope you enjoy that, and hopefully I'll be in touch with him again very soon and keep you updated with what he's up to. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. See ya. Just arrived at Crick and we're going to go in as soon as they let us. Here are the old boats having a bit of a spring clean. Lovely old boats. Here's the big boys. Wide boat. Very nice. That's clever. Oh, it stopped. Pom-poms. Lovely big fenders. Oh, these are nice. So what's so special about this boat?
What's so special about this boat? It's cheap. It's 35 grand.
So that is it. And it's how big is it? How big is it?
25 foot.
It's a cutie. What's it called, Lisa?
This is the Aintree Beetle.
It's a beetle.
And I'm liking this.
Scale down
I'm liking this lot. So I just think it's got everything you need in a nice, compact, small space.
Yeah, well, let's go and have.
I could sell these for these guys.
Yeah, you could. That's clever. The little seats.
Isn't it?
Oh, right. Here we go. That's one end, and that's
here's
the other end.
It's just a great space.
Tiny, tiny boat. Breakfast.
Another bush breakfast.
Right, we're in the inside now. These are incinerating toilets. More toilets. More toilets. That's the little one. That's Darren, and he now drinks Doom Bar thanks to you, Magnus. Boat painting. Chimney, chim. These are lovely. It's a bit warm now. What's your name? Una. Una? Una.
Yomi, yomi. Action!
Yeah, action. Do something, juggle the olives or something. There's a little trip hire boat and there's another boat. And there's some more boats. Lots of boats. Get the list. I'll go for this one. Inclined plane. Do you mind if we sit with you here? Sure. Wonderful, thank you. So this is the inclined plane from Langton's quick review because the music's going to start. Cheers. It's pretty bitter. Sort of averagely 4.5 times. Cheers. I caught up with some of the boat tubers, which was really nice. Lots of chats. There were 48 beers to choose from, so it was quite tricky. Right, we've got Whirlpool! That's all right. That's not bad. I've never said that. That's not bad. That's about a 6. This is Kate. Hi Kate. Say hello to this one.
Hello.
That's little Dotty. Oh, the hats are nice. So that was the end of a lovely day at Crick. A few days later, I caught up with Ronnie and Anita on their way back from Crick, and this is their beautiful boat, Whisper. We're at the Malt Shovel. Is that Malt Shovel? Yes. Oh, mate. Let's do this. County best. Thanks to Ronnie. Cheers, Ronnie.
You're welcome.
It smells really full-flavoured. It smells delicious. Got a lovely little head on it. That's lovely, that's a good one, that's got lots of flavour, not bitter. Yeah, I'd say that's an 8. Cheers. So this is the lovely Anita?
I'm drinking Oakham Ale's Bishop's Farewell, which is one of my favourites.
Oh.
Nice and creamy, a nice head on it. Nice subtle beer, really like that one. 7.
Wow.
Give it a 7.
Thank you. What's he got? Oh. My first Cornish pasty for almost 30 years.
Right.
So 7 crackers in 1 minute. Otherwise, Tim's gonna eat like a piece of dust.
No, come on!
Okay, 1, 2, go.
Wastage. Wastage.
You've done 10 seconds so far.
下去。吃掉。
Right.
要全部咽下去。You have to swallow it.
You have to swallow it.
You have, hey.
Wow, we're losing a lot here.
There's a one salada, one more now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Swallow. 哎，吞，你别往外吐了。
10 seconds. 10.
Good try. Good try. Well done, Tim.
A beautiful morning at the marina. And I saw Freddie again. Here's Freddie. He's a kitty.